Now, I'm going to be showing you how I create an static template in Notion, whether you are an Android or iPhone user. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is my template. Now we're going to change it to an aesthetic vibe. These aesthetic pictures, I get it in Pinterest. Just go to the Pinterest and search an aesthetic vibe and choose what you want. To change the page cover, your image should be 1500 pixels because it works best. The maximum size file is 5 megabytes. Now let's choose an image. And that's it. And now let's change this woozy face icon. And the best size for 280 by 280 pixels. And the maximum size file is 5 MB. And let's change it static anime face. The girl from the side view. And I will change the icon of assignment, syllabus, and course schedule. And I will go to course schedule and change the cover of it. That's all. Hope it helped.